Hey everyone, this is Dan Schmoyer at Northwest Family Counseling. Due to the coronavirus and all of the recommendations by state, local, and even federal officials around congregating together and being in public, we have decided to try to move as many of our client sessions online as we can to help reduce the risk factor for people spreading the disease. So for some of you, doing online counseling is totally different and new and weird, and for some of you, it's not that big of a shift. So we've been doing this for about a year and a half now at Northwest, and so I'm going to take a couple minutes here and show you how to go into your portal and how to sign into your session with your provider this week. So the first thing you need to do is get into your patient portal. So if you go to northwestfamilycounseling.com and select Patient Portal, it'll bring you to a page where you can jump into the TheraNest patient portal. The portal here is this link, this image. So select Northwest Family Counseling LLC link here and should bring up the TheraNest login screen. If you do not know what your username and password is, it is your email address that you receive your reminders on. And if you have no idea what the password is, please use forgot password and then you can reset it. Alright, once you log in, this will be the home page that you come to, and your appointments will be showing right here. So I have an appointment with myself coming up today at 3:30. So this start session button is what you need to select, and it should open up a tab and a window for you where your camera will kick in, and there will be a test to see how good your internet connection is and to make sure your mic and your camera are turned on. So here's the session screen. I'm going to pop up here in a second. And you need to do make sure you do this. You have to put your name in. Oh, hey. Put your name in, if I could type, and make sure your audio and your video are on. And then it's going to automatically check for your connectivity. So once you're in here, you're just going to sit like this until your therapist joins the session, and then right here the button will change and there'll be something for you to select that says Join Northwest Family Counseling. At that point, you will be able to be online and you'll be able to jump right into the session. If you don't have that button, it means they haven't started the session yet and they're not like in the room per se. So just select Start Session and put your name in and wait for them to start the session. If you're having issues with your camera or your audio not working, you can look up here in your toolbar and make sure your URL bar, make sure that there isn't like a little picture of a video camera with a slash through it. That often will indicate that your camera isn't working or something like that. Alright, give us a call if you have questions, 763-220-2312. You can go to extension 1 and we can try to help you out, or you can hit your therapist extension and connect directly with them.